Good day everyone, Mr. Cargill here with the next Autocad video. Now in this video, we're going to look at how we would go about solving the problem of not seeing your broken lines. So sometimes when you are doing drawings in Autocad and you're drawing like broken lines and center lines and so on, sometimes they are not showing as broken. They're showing as solid lines. So to solve that problem, this is how we would go about that. So let's say we would have a broken line here, like from this midpoint on this line to the midpoint on this line. All right, so let's say for example of this. So first of all, to get the broken line, you would come here to other. So let me just repeat that step here. Probably for you it would say by layer here. So just click on the drop down arrow and click on other, then click on load and select whichever line you want. If it's a broken line, you select ISO dash. If it's a center line, you scroll down and select center, so on and so forth, and then you just click it and it will come here. All right, and once you do that, then you will get it in your list of different lines and so on. So let's say I want this broken line, so I'll select this right here, and if it's not showing up right here, just click on other and then you will see it right here, and then you can select it. All right, so I want this broken line here, so I want my broken line. No, so let's say I draw my broken line from this midpoint to that midpoint. Currently it's not showing as broken. All right, I can zoom in and see that it's not showing as broken, but it is actually broken. It's just that this distance is too small for it to show as a broken line. So if I extend it out like this, if I extend it all the way like out a bit more, you would actually see that it is broken, but this distance is too small for it to show as a broken line as it is right now. So to solve this problem, this is what we would do. We would have to make the scale of the broken line smaller, and we'll do that by selecting line type scale. The shortcut for that is LTS, so just type LTS and click on LT scale right here. So then it says enter the new factor. So the new factor I want for my line type scale, instead of 1, I want to make it about 4 times smaller. So I would do 0.25. If I wanted to make it half the size, I would go 0.5. So I go 0.25. I know my line is like that. All right, so now my line becomes broken and it is showing as broken. Good. So that's how you would go about solving that problem. And I use 0.25. It doesn't have to be 0.25. It could be whatever you want. If I tried 0.25 and I realized that it didn't help, I could go ahead and make it even smaller. All right, so that is how you would go about solving that problem. It could be the opposite. It could be that the broken lines are too small, and when you zoom in, you see that it's broken, but when you zoom out, it's kind of showing like a solid line. So if that's the case, all you would have to do is when you select line type scale, you would want to make it bigger. So instead of typing 0 point something, you would make it bigger. So you would type like 4 to make it 4 times bigger, 10 to make it 10 times bigger, so on and so forth. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, you can drop a like and comment in the comment section below and let me know what videos you would like me to do. You can also subscribe so that you can be notified when I release future videos, and don't forget to turn on the bell. So thanks for watching and have yourselves a fantastic day.